I cannot express enough how grateful I am for attending the Body, Soul and Spirit Nutrition Workshop. As a woman, I have struggled with my body image and self-esteem for most of my life. And I have tried every diet and fad diet out there, but nothing seemed to work long term. When I stumbled upon this workshop, I was skeptical at first. However, from the very first session, I knew that this was going to be different. The workshop focused on a holistic approach to nutrition that not only addressed the physical aspect, but also the emotional and spiritual aspect of eating. Through the guidance of the amazing facilitators, I learned to listen to my body, nourish it with whole foods, and pay attention to how food affects my mood and my energy levels. I also learned to be more mindful and present while eating, which helped me to connect with my food and truly savor each bite. But the most significant change that I experienced was the transformation of my relationship with myself. I learned to appreciate and love my body for what it is, rather than constantly striving for an unattainable ideal. I also discovered a newfound confidence and self-esteem that I never knew existed. The Body, Soul and Spirit Nutrition Workshop has truly changed my life. I feel healthier, happier, and more fulfilled than I have ever before. I'm grateful to the facilitators for their wisdom and their guidance. And I would recommend this workshop to any woman who is ready to embrace a holistic approach to nutrition and transform her life from the inside out.